So that's what I take pictures of the car driving itself.
Greetings. Thanks for watching Tesla Taxi videos. This rider is new to the full self-driving. It was a fun
Oh, it's
ride.
driving itself?
Mm-hmm.
Your feet ain't on the brake?
No.
Oh, God. Are you serious?
There's that person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to do anything. I have to pay attention. I have to, because this camera is making sure I pay attention.
Mm-hmm.
But right now, the car's looking at the traffic light.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. When it turns green, the car will go.
Oh, my goodness. So you don't have to stop it on brake or nothing? Oh, wow. So you just put in the destination where you're going and the car go there? Oh, wow. That's neat. So that's like when you go home, you can tell the car to take you home, and it'll take you home. You just got to be paying attention to the road.
That's it.
Oh, wow.
I do have to pay attention.
But that's a good thing.
But as long as, yeah, it is. As long as I've got my eyes forward and I'm paying attention,
Mm-hmm.
the car will drive for me.
So, so you know how some people might fall asleep, the car stop.
Yeah. What it does is it's called the nag.
Mm.
It'll put up a little thing on the screen saying, touch the steering wheel, do this, do that. And if you don't follow those instructions, then it'll start beeping at you. If you ignore that, then it says, I'm going to stop driving. And so
wow.
the screen goes orange. And
it'll just pull over to the side.
I don't know. I've never let it do that. One of these times, maybe I'll try that, but I don't want to because I'll get in trouble. I don't know. You know, Tesla, it counts against my insurance if I, what they call a forced disengagement.
Mm-hmm.
If the car decides that I'm not paying attention and stops driving automatically,
Mm-hmm.
that counts against my insurance because I'm not following the rules.
Oh, okay.
And I use Tesla insurance, so
Oh,
Tesla
okay.
knows exactly what I do.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. It turns into everything. This is so neat. This is neat.
So
Well,
I put on the turn signal,
mm-hmm.
and that's a blind spot camera that lets you know that there's nothing over there that you're going to hit.
Mm.
And just turned.
Wow. That is so neat. Car driving by itself.
Sure he is.
Yes.
It knows the speed limit's 25,
Uh-huh.
but we're going 30 because it figures 30 safe.
Yeah, 5 miles over.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I've got it set so it'll do 20% over the speed limit.
Oh, okay.
Because nobody does the speed limit around here. Come on. Who drives 25 miles
The
per hour?
windshield wiper just came on.
Yeah, it does that every once in a while.
Oh, wow.
That's on automatic too. The headlights are on automatic. Everything's on automatic.
Oh, my goodness. So when you got a car, you just programmed it to what you wanted. Pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is so neat. So if somebody shoot out in front of you, the car stop. OMG.
Well, that car just pulled out in front of us and it
Yeah.
slowed down and let him get in front.
Yeah.
There's your left turn signal.
Mm-hmm. This is so fun. Like, wow.
Almost like an amusement park ride.
Yes, like, oh my God. This thing is just going by itself. You ain't doing nothing.
I'm paying attention.
Yeah, you paying attention. Yeah, paying attention.
I got to pay attention to get paid.
Yeah. Or is it telling me to fasten my seatbelt?
Yeah, that's you. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, the law is that now in the back seat you're supposed to have your seatbelt on.
Oh, no, I did not know.
As of July 1st.
Now I know. Now I know.
As of July 1st in the state of Virginia, all passengers must have a seatbelt.
Okay.
And now what happens if we get stopped by a policeman? Do I get the ticket?
No,
Do you
I
get
would.
the ticket? I think you get the ticket.
I would get it, yeah.
I think that's true. So it's going to make a left here on Guy Street. There it goes. Waits for the truck to go, and then it says, okay.
This is so
And then it's supposed to go
funny.
and behind here. Let's see if it figures that out.
So funny.
There it goes.
Yes, so funny.
And this
Oh
is
my
where you
goodness.
want to get off?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
That's it. You press that button and push on the door at the same time. That does it.
Hi.
You had a good time?
Yes. Thank you.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Tanya.
Okay, so that was a fun ride. Tanya had enjoyed the experience. I enjoyed it as well. I enjoy showing people full self-driving. It is an amazing technology to share.